TJ, what? Been like TJ. All of my money and all of my chains. I'm getting money, bitch, I'm getting paid. Get from my pockets and get from my face. Being your boyfriend, we definitely the same. It's cause of my grind, you can.
So what's good, y'all? We back. We are at a car meet. Oh, look at this Beamer with the blue headlight right here, the laser lights. We love that. This is a Toys for Tots drive, but we're pulling up how we are. Wait a second. This is the one. This is the one I seen. Remember that? Remember the video I sent you on Instagram?
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
That exact license plate. By AMG.
That's a clean color.
Yeah. But yeah, if we can, we gon' insert that video. But yeah, it was a Toys for Tots job, but we pulling out how we are, especially because we late. So yeah.
You gotta work, bro. Like,
huh?
You gotta work. It's hard to, you know.
Yeah, I definitely got work. I'm supposed to be at work in half an hour, but we not worried about that right now. Worry about that when the time comes. Oh, you got the new Civic. Yeah. Got that little snaky. It's a clean snake too. Got the corals, yeah. We like. What the fuck is that? Yeah. That's fire. Oh, damn.
Are you parking up?
Yeah.
Got Tiger original
Yeah.
Tiger, not that new.
Fire. Dude, what the hell? There's just a lot going on. Yeah. He's pulled up and took over a whole plaza. Like someone comes here to get their nails done. They come here to get their nails and hair done. They're like, yo, what the fuck was you doing?
No time.
Yeah. Bro, none of the cars that's parked up here, they not getting out no time soon, bro. Boy, we need one. Need me one of those. Oh man, we got a lot going on. Yeah, holiday season, you already know. Let's see. What else we got?
What's that?
Oh, that's it look like a scat pack to me, but yeah, I don't. It might be a little bit more than a scat. We'll see. It's the badge though, which is smart. So you can't tell what this is without walking up to it. When I get mine's gonna be D badge too. Let's see. Yeah, that's the thing. No, it's a scat because it says one loud scat, so it has to be a scat. Yeah, let's see.
Unless you had a scat and then you upgraded to an Hellcat and then changed the name, you know what I'm saying?
That's true. He got a license plate covered on. Let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't know unless you pop the hood or turn on the car.
Yeah.
Or I got to look inside the car. Yeah, that's different.
What, like an hour and a half late?
Oh yeah, this is the 12 to 4 one?
Yeah, this is 12 to 4.
Yeah, it's a little, so an hour and a half late. But hey, listen.
Hour and a half late.
People gotta work, people gotta eat, you know? And plus, when you schedule one meet an hour after another, stuff like that. Shit just came here, yo.
But we didn't know the other one was gonna be like nobody there.
Dead.
Yeah.
Well, probably because it got rained out. Motherfuckers got there.
I'm sure y'all can see it's raining.
Yeah, y'all can definitely see it.
Dedication. We out here.
Yeah. And we would have been out here at the second one had it not been for people just all leaving as soon as it started coming down.
I'm surprised people still here though. Like, it's a lot of people still here.
Yeah.
But then again, it's not raining.
Yeah, word. Like,
as
you
much
can have
as
a
it was.
conversation and not be, like, freezing.
Yeah.
Holding this part for someone?
Oh, no.
Can you hold it for 1 second? I'm just pulling back on here.
Sure. I should have been thinking, like, yo, what kind of car you drive first?
Once you go get that scat? Go get the scat.
Yo, he looked like he getting
It looks like you getting that scat.
He just got he get rid of the scat. Alright, he's scat. Alright. He's valid.
Okay. He really got it now.
Okay.
He wasn't lying about his Instagram.
That shit is loud. Here we are. Damn, look at all that smoke coming out.
Gas goes with facts right there.
And yo, it's crazy. He didn't rev it or nothing. He just got in and just, just idling. Yeah, it's fire. Alright, we'll check back with y'all as time goes on. Someone driving Nissan need a jump right now, so we're gonna see what goes on with that. Everything peaches over here otherwise. Got this Type R. Yeah, we like that blue. Oh wait, it looks like all these places is closed. Oh, I guess all these places are closed on Sundays, that's why. Okay, that's cool.
Wait, how do you guys get there so quickly? Jesus.
Yeah, see, you need that too. License plate color.
Like when it darkens it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I'm already boxed in, I'm pretty sure. I'm saying that's why I was like, at least if I'm over there, I'm not in the corner while everybody's trying to take care of
Okay, Type R. Oh, that's Cropped out CRV. We was going on with that. Yo, high maintenance, bro. Oh God. Yo. Yo. Oh my God. Yo.
I heard some scream like,
What the fuck is that? I thought he was dragging something behind him. Nah, that's just his car.
that's crazy. That's no dedication to that, to low life, bro.
Yeah. It's like, fuck you. Yeah. I would never be that dedicated. I'm sorry. Nah. I got the Christmas tree though. I'm trying to get in that Christmas spirit. Or maybe hit the Christmas tree lot in the morning. It was like, oh fuck, there's a car beat today. I don't got time to go home.
He's like, shit, he's gonna go right. He's gonna go right now. Straight from the Christmas tree spot.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna check back with y'all a little bit later. Yeah, give us a little rep. Give us a little rep, bro. Give us a little something.
What's that M5 talking about?
No. Tell them what you mean when you say buy AMG.
This motherfucker gonna lower the Lincoln?
A lowered Lincoln? Oh, maybe. Yeah. The modern community is for Lincolns is actually there's a little bit going on over there.
I've never seen a modded Lincoln, though. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never seen it before.
I've seen it like a few times. First of all, I didn't know modded Lincolns exist until I started working at Ford. But like,
Oh, people was bringing them in?
yeah,
Like MKZs and shit?
yeah. No, it was like not just. It was just all MKZs. Just MKZs is the
That was the only one?
Yeah, it was like because basically, tune it. You got an all-wheel drive car, 400 horsepower.
Oh, you gonna Mac up?
Imagine.
That'd be wild.
Mac up in a parking lot too. Oh, now he's like, all right, let me get out of here.
Yeah, you could just see him got upgraded so you could hear them shit.
Yeah. Damn. You gotta make maneuvers just to get out of the parking lot.
Oh, because I mean, this is a small parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how far the exhaust pipe is coming out from the car, though.
Yeah, bro. That shit.
This is a tight parking lot. I don't know how you gonna get out. This car's pulling up all over the place.
Yeah, bro. Cars coming in. This is a lot of activity. A lot of activity.
He might peel out. You should just go to the exit.
Yeah, maybe. Let's do it.
Just do that.
Let's do it. Hopefully, he gives us a little thing, a little peel out. Hopefully. Not eating. Yep. Yo, he got that BOZ. Guess what his license plate says?
What?
Not 86.
I mean, but y'all the same thing, though.
You want to go tell him now?
He's just trolling.
Yeah, you don't get your way.
Everybody got the license plates, bro. Matter of fact, it's just the BMWs. Yeah. What kind of feelings gonna peel out?
Yeah. BMW Toronto?
Damn.
Long way from home, buddy.
It's got bad places, bro.
Yeah. His this shit. Serious. This shit.
A nice little like 340.
Yup. Yeah, you got what? 4 of them. With the last one, the M340i. You know, just got a little bit more power stock. But I think he did the best job mitigating that.
Bro, that exhaust is loud. That shit loud as hell. No, you good.
You good. Go ahead, man. Oh man. Got a Gran Turismo S2000 too.
That does not make it any better.
Yeah. He's like, shit, I gotta get this tree home.
It's true home. I got the races on it, get my lights on. It's in a couple of weeks, you know what I'm saying? Oh, damn. Copyrighted.
Oh, your word. Yo, alright, so that's gonna do it for the end of this video, because we gotta head out. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because one day I'm trying to have a house at least like this, you know, 2-car garage. I could have like a Supra in there, a Hellcat in there, put the Escalade out front like he got. So yeah, but for me to do that, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, bro, because I'm trying to have houses like this. Alright, but till then, we going.
Check.